Go, Andrea.
Defense, ready?
No. Let's get that ball. Cheerleader attention.
Well, we already have it. No, we don't.
Is that how you get that ball too?
Yeah.
That was getting that ball last year.
We can do defense. But you could change the other one.
No. I know what he is though. Ooh, I don't know. Ladies, what's offense and defense? What's offense and defense? When we on offense, what does that mean? Y'all cheerleaders for football, when we're on offense, what does that mean? No. When we're on offense, we have the ball. I mean, we're running for a touchdown. When we're on defense, we want the ball from them, okay? If y'all don't know offense and defense, y'all not going to know when to do a chip. That's an offense chip. That's a defense chip. So we're on defense. That's hers is the defense get that ball. Hers is the offense get that ball. They're two different cheers at two different times. When are we on offense?
When we have the ball.
When are we on offense?
When we have
When we have the ball. When are we on